In this video, I will show you how to add and customize a website section in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my website builder. To add a section, simply place your mouse pointer between two sections and click on Add Section. From this left side list, you can generate it using AI or add a blank section. You can also create a blog or online store section like this. You can also go with different types of sections like an about section, services, product categories, a contact form section, subscribe form, a map, testimonials, projects, resume, images, gallery, slideshow, video, Instagram feed, social icons, menu, or legal pages. Let's say we want to add, for example, a contact form section. As you can see, you can select between multiple templates to use. Let's go with this one. Click on it. As you can see, it is added directly after this big photo and above my latest post section. To edit your section, click on it first, then click on edit section. For the background, you can select between a color, an image, or a video. Let's go with a color. Pick your section color, just like that. For example, let's go with this color. You can also generate an image for the background. Let's say, for example, a guy holding a phone. Click on create images. As you can see, it is added automatically to the background. Let's undo this last edit. You can also duplicate your section. You can hide and show this section for mobile and also desktop. You can delete this section. You can move it up and down. Let's see. As you can see, it is moved above this big photo. You can also copy this section and paste it here. As you can see, it is added between latest post title and the actual latest post. And this is how to add and customize a website section in Hostinger Website Builder.